I remember the times that I believed and had survived. I dreamed a lot of things, but during failing, I was in agony, yet I keep on going on. I still have little things of my own, but my encounter to the Holy Trinity had changed my views for eternity. My conventional opinions were so irrational, and only when I lost everything, I only then realized that it's the end of foolish dreams. For what I dreamed before is now my winnings. I believe to be a victor now. I achieve it. I survive and now I have it. What can I ask for more? But just remain to be faithful.